Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're trying something new this time. This isn't a Coca-Cola, actually Powerade. I'm taking a different approach to the rest of my life. I'm trying to be healthier. So I'm whittling down my dependence on Cokes. And I'm looking for cool muscle cars like that one to kind of up our game. Yep, that's what we're doing. This is the walk around video thanks to my good friends at IAA, having a ball out here. Let's just jump in. I mean, it looks like it's got damage on the other side. Let's go check out this Charger. This is a 2022 Charger in lovely gray. I love this color. I had an electric bike that was the color and I loved it. It had black wheels too, and I loved them. This is a 2022. This says runs and drives. There's an engine start video. You can go check it out on the website, and the collision is the reason for the loss. All right. Everything is fine over here, no damage over here, but I could see through the inside that there is damage. Over here, the side curtain has deployed. Ooh, something pointy hit her right there. She took it right in the side, right in the rib cage. This back door, though, is fine. You will need a door, the mirror, get a fender, and I think you'll be all right. I don't know if this is pushed into the actual body of the car right there. But as you can see, yeah, you're going to need an airbag over there. Let's just see what she's like. It's supposed to run and drive. I've never had a Charger, never had a Challenger, ridden in them, driven them, but have never purchased one. Oh, this is nice. 2022. Okay. Here we go. This is like a standard issue interior. Yeah, this is a little V6 too. This is like a rent-a-car. Here we go. I don't know why they have this right here. That's kind of strange. Service the airbag. We're in miles per hour. That's it. That's it. So you'll need an airbag. You could probably save your roof. That's okay. Your A-pillar trim. There's some glass from the shattered window right there. Oh, you'll need a seat. Yep, you need a seat. But they've made these seats forever. So that's not an issue at all. 38,000 miles. She goes into drive. Well, that was reversed, sorry. And she goes into drive. Yeah. Look at this. Super cold AC. Mechanically, everything's going to be fine. It's the door and some airbags and a fender, and you're good to go. Oh my. This could be a really great buy, because that damage looks way worse than it really is. Let's check out the back seat real quick. Here we go, standard back seat. You're gonna make 41 cents right there on your purchase. You can deduct that from the cost. I'm looking for the trunk button. I'm getting better about finding these things, but some brands just kind of throw me off. Here we go. There it is. And she opens for us. Say, ah. Oh, a little kid went fishing in this car. Look at that. Ooh, it smells like a fish too. Yeah, they got the hook caught. They caught themselves a floor mat. Okay, and they were drinking body armor, so it was a younger father who took his kid fishing in his Charger. Nice. Way to go, Dad. Create those memories. I wish I had created more memories as a dad. I think every father does, though. Yeah, here you go, 3.6. Perfect condition. Not moving at all. All the fluids are going to be good. It's basically a 2-year-old car. This is nice. No issues. Yeah, you could save some money on this. If you could find a door in the same color There is some scratching and everything right here, but that's just normal wear and tear. I wouldn't worry about that. Yeah. Tires. A little bit of tread left on them, but this is nice. Okay, there you go. 2022 Charger with a rent-a-car interior, but it's nice. I wouldn't turn it down because of that. Absolutely not. I'm just going to live in here for the air conditioning. Wow. If 4 doors is too much, can I interest you in a Challenger? 2 doors. Yeah, this I think was attacked by Carrie Underwood. I don't know what happened here. Look at these. There's 2 dimples, 2 dimples, dimple, dimple, 2. It's like really a Louisville slugger bat. Kapow, kapow, boom, 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 everywhere. This isn't hail. I don't think hail would do this much. These are huge, huge dents on body lines right here. Maybe it is. Maybe they just went through some kind of an amazing storm. But this is in a very cool orange with black trim, nice black window tint. You got some iffy tires. Huge. I mean, this was a, yeah, scorned girlfriend or boyfriend. You don't know. I don't judge. But look at all of the damage here. Yeah, this is, oh my goodness. This is bad. Giant, giant dings. But there is power, and they used to have the little cover. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, they used to have coverings on the quarter windows. But look at this. You've got the orange on the inside. Is this something special? Cat skin? Okay. Well, hop on in, Mike. I think I will. Look at this. Oh, we got some water bottles down below. Press the brake. Is there a key? Yeah, there's 2 keys. Let's see what happens. This has a different exhaust on it. Yeah, this is a 2021. Is this religious music? It could be. They may have locking lug nuts on the thing here. What is this? Owner's manual? Yeah, in orange. This is something to different car. You get 2 key fobs right here. Wow. Cold air conditioning. We do have a check engine light. If you can live with some major hail damage, then this would be a great car for you, or just spend a lot of time with a PDR guy, because it's going to take a minute. Even the inserts in here have orange. Look at that. That's nice. Can you hear the exhaust? Let's go back here first. Let's do the trunk, now that I know where the button is on these. Here's the exhaust. Yeah, that's not a V6, I don't think. Here we go. Oh, there's your rear louver. And probably the side, yep, the side ones as well. I don't know why they took those off. Maybe they were damaged in the bat attack. You can see the adhesion remnants right there. Okay, that exhaust is nice. The acne marks are not nice. That's a lot. Here we go. Here it is. Oh, it is a V6, but they've done some work to it. Yeah, you have an air intake from Mopar, and you have a fancy exhaust. I was hoping for a Hemi. I really was. But it's a V6. But it runs good. I forgot to look at the mileage. You remember the miles? 2021. What is a collision? No, it's not collision. What is it? It's lost type other. It should say lost type Carrie Underwood. I love this interior though. It needs to be cleaned. It really does. Look at the back. There you go. That's nice. Someone had this made to look and sound fast, but it's not super duper fast. But it is comfortable. Here you go. Nice air conditioning. 39,000 miles. So it has almost the exact same mileage as the other car that was a 2022. Wow, this feels good. This really does. Okay. Well, there's your backup. And now let's go forward. That's it. Yeah, this is in perfect working condition. If you're good with PDR, there it is. Yep. Paintless dent repair. You get those little glue guns and those little sticks, you go like that. You're gonna spend a couple of years doing it, but you're gonna have a nice car when you're done. I like it. The only thing it is on these cars, and I've driven them, there's no view out the back on this side right here. You just can't see. And I'm glad they have a rear view camera, but yeah, even out the rear view mirror, you just cannot see light. The visibility is very limited, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Really, really limited, but they are cool cars. Let's keep looking. All right, we're gonna switch things up. This is something, of course, from Mercedes. This is the C300 4MATIC 4-wheel drive. This is a later model with a beautiful, I like the white and the black carpet and everything. That's just a good look. Here's your damage. She really hit something kind of hard. Okay, and because she's relatively new, this is gonna be expensive. Headlight, wow. Grille, bumper, hood. This little piece right here is probably gonna cost you, I don't know, $200-300. I'm guessing. Yeah, other than that, I think the damage is okay. You got Continental tires. That's really good. This is from 2021. This, of course, is a collision type loss. Do you like the little baby Benzes? This is nice. See? Off-white with the black and the black. It is so... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Smell. Ooh. That's like a aftershave smell or something there. I like the wood too. I really do. And you got the good sound system. Okay. You got the good roof too. Okay. Hopefully, yep, she's got power. She's got power, which means we get to push the button. Hopefully she'll start. There it is. Ooh. This looks very nautical for some reason to me right here. All of this wood is so nice. Warning system, don't let the system distract you from the traffic situation. Thank you. What kind of messages do we have here? None. Okay, well that's a first. Service B0 overdue by 67. Uh-oh. She stumbled. Did you see that? Ooh, look at this, how it has the lines below and it's clear above. Watch. Nice touch. That's a really nice touch. I was looking for mileage. Oh, look at this. That's cool. That's really cool. We're gonna close this up. I just wanna find, here we go, 28,000 miles. It's this little square button that doesn't say anything. 28,000 miles. Nice, cold air conditioning. Windows work nice. There's a little delay on the uptick though. What about you? Are you gonna go down? There you go. Yeah, you wait a second. You hit this, 1001, then the window goes up. That's different. Let's see if we can take a look in the trunk and under the hood. There's your trunk button. And that red latch button they've been using forever and ever and ever. Okay. You got any junk in the trunk? No. Just a piece of candy. Here we go. And I like how they designed this, where it latches right there. That's what that's for. You still get the bag. I guess you don't get a spare. There's your fuse box. Huh. Interesting. Okay, well that's okay, well, let's make it go down. I do like the rear end on these. I love how they bring it out in the S-Class and they kind of whittle these design features all the way down to the lowly C-Classes. Not really lowly, they're still expensive. You know, 2 or 3 years later. I love that. So if you get the S-Class, you get it first. If you have the C-Class, you get it last. Yeah, we can't get in there. I'm sorry. Nope, we can't get in there. Anyway, there she is. Get your calculator, bring your huge checkbook, because it's going to be empty when you finish fixing this car. But you're going to have a nice little C-Class when you're done. Still fixing things. Got to fix the rear view mirror. Ooh, look at the lights. Pretty. Very cool. All right. Well, 3 very different vehicles. Let me know which one you like the best. Are you a risk taker on the Mercedes? You want something in 4 doors that would be pretty easy to fix, or if you don't mind pot marks, then you can get a Challenger. It's hail damage or bat damage, one of the two, or somebody just took out excuse me, allergy season is here, and for me it's ragweed, and I've started taking the medicine, but it hasn't built up in my system yet, so I'm sneezing all the time. Okay, we delayed that one. Anyway, I'm just sharing what it's like to be Monkey Wrench Mike. And I'm rhyming all the time. That's nice too. All right, anyway, let me know which of these 3 vehicles you like. If you haven't checked out my regular videos where I fix cars, please check them out. I have a very special one coming to the channel. Maybe it's, by the time this is posted, you could have the opportunity to see it already. It's actually something from the 90s. It's an Oldsmobile. They don't even make those anymore. And it's rare. It's a rare Oldsmobile from the 90s that's a convertible. I'm really excited about it because it has some features that other cars didn't have back in the day. So go look for that video. If it's not out yet, stay tuned because it'll be on the way. I'm really excited. I'm going to pick it up this week. No more sneezes. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Hopefully, my allergies will be cleared and I'll be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.